Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the Unlock English podcast. I am Alex, and today we are starting an episode that may just change the way you think about practicing English. The title says it all. No partner? No problem. Let us talk together today, just you and me. Imagine you are sitting here with me, maybe with a cup of tea, ready to learn. I know learning English can feel lonely sometimes, but you are not alone here. Think about it this way. Your mirror is not just glass. It's your safe space, your rehearsal room, your personal theater where you can perform again and again until English feels natural. Actors rehearse their lines in front of mirrors. Public speakers check themselves in the mirror before a big presentation. So why not you? Why not rehearse English conversation with yourself right where you are? Let us pause for a moment. Can you picture your own mirror at home? Maybe it's in your bathroom or your bedroom. Imagine standing in front of it just like an actor before a show. Now, let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt stuck because you had nobody to practice with? You want to improve your English speaking skills, but there's no teacher, no partner, no English group around you. Only you, your voice, and maybe your mirror. Does that sound familiar? If so, you're definitely not alone. I understand how that feels. Many learners feel shy or frustrated when they can't find someone to talk to. Maybe you have tried to speak, but you feel silly talking to yourself. That's normal. We all feel that way sometimes. This struggle is one of the most common problems English learners face. Everyone says you must practice speaking every day. But then you ask yourself, with who? Suddenly, you feel discouraged and sometimes even guilty that you're not improving fast enough. But listen, my friends. Here's the truth. You don't need a partner to practice speaking. In fact, you can make amazing progress all on your own. And the secret tool? Your mirror. Let's imagine a scenario together. It's a quiet evening. You're at home and you want to practice English. You look around, no one is there, but your mirror is waiting for you. It's always ready, always patient. Yes, your very own reflection can be your personal English coach. I know that might sound a little bit strange, but trust me, it works. And not only does it work fast. In this episode, I'll show you simple but powerful ways to use the mirror method to boost your English speaking skills even when you're completely alone. We'll explore exactly why it's so effective, how you can turn your mirror into a speaking partner, and step-by-step exercises you can start today. Are you ready to try something new? Let's take it step by step, together. Here's what I want you to remember right from the start. You don't need a teacher standing next to you. You don't need a conversation buddy online. And you definitely don't need to wait for the perfect moment. What you do need is the courage to practice, and your mirror is the stage where you can do it. By the end of this episode, you'll learn exactly how to turn that simple piece of glass into your English fluency accelerator. So take a deep breath, smile, and stand tall in front of your mirror. Because today, we're unlocking a whole new level of English confidence. Now that you understand your mirror is not just glass, but your personal training partner, let's move into some practical mirror method exercises. These are step-by-step activities you can begin today. And I promise they'll make your speaking practice much more effective and fun. Step 1. The daily description drill. The first exercise is simple but very powerful. Stand in front of your mirror, look directly at yourself, and describe what you're doing or how you look. For example, I'm brushing my hair. I'm wearing a black t-shirt. I'm getting ready for work. Let's try it together right now. Stand up, walk to your mirror, and look at yourself. What are you doing? Say it out loud, even if it feels strange at first. This exercise might sound basic, but it trains your brain to think in English instantly. You're linking what your eyes see to the words that leave your mouth, with no translation in between. To strengthen this habit, start with a 2-minute timer each morning. Challenge yourself to keep speaking for the full time, even if your sentences are short. Over days and weeks, your speech will grow smoother and more natural. If you get stuck, don't worry. Just look around and describe something else. You can say, I see my toothbrush, or I'm smiling at myself. Every sentence is good practice. Step 2. Express yourself with emotion. Communication is about more than just words. It is also about tone, energy, and feeling. The mirror is a perfect tool for this. Choose a simple sentence and deliver it in different emotional styles. For example, I am ready for today. Or, I am ready for today. Or, I am ready for today. Let us do this together. Pick one sentence. Say it with a happy face. Now, try it with a tired face. How does your voice change? How does your face look? Watch your face as you speak. Notice how your eyebrows, your smile, and even your shoulders adjust. Practicing this way helps you sound more authentic and confident when speaking English in the real world, because you learn how to match words with emotions. If you feel silly, that is okay. Actors practice this all the time. You are training your English and your confidence at the same time. Step 3. Have a conversation with yourself. This activity is fun and surprisingly effective. Stand before your mirror and actually role play both sides of a short conversation. For example, "Hello, how are you today?" Then switch sides slightly and reply, "I am fine, thank you. How are you?" Let us try a scenario together. Imagine you are meeting a friend at a cafe. You say, "Hello, how are you?" Now move your body a little and answer as your friend. "I am good, thank you. And you?" Yes, it feels a little funny at first, but that's good. It means you're stepping out of your comfort zone. Over time, this rehearsal technique builds speed, fluency, and the courage to speak without freezing. If you forget what to say, just pause and think. You can always start again. Your mirror is patient. These 3 mirror method practices, description, emotion, and conversation, are easy, repeatable, and incredibly effective. Think of them like quick workouts for your English muscles. Keep them short, keep them daily, and you will notice your confidence grow faster than you expect. So, my friends, you have started describing daily actions, practicing emotions, and even having conversations with yourself. That's already a big step. Now, let us upgrade the mirror method with more advanced techniques that will challenge you and make your English sound richer and more natural. Step 6. Record and review yourself. Finally, one of the most effective advanced techniques. Record your mirror practice. Take your phone. Record a 1-minute video of yourself speaking in front of the mirror. Then, watch it back. At first, yes, it may feel uncomfortable. Most of us cringe at our own voices. But remember, this is the moment where real growth happens. Let us try this together. Set your phone in front of your mirror. Record yourself telling a short story or describing your day. Then, watch the video. What do you notice? Do you speak clearly? Do you smile? What can you improve? When you watch your recording, you will notice things you never realized. Maybe you speak too quickly. Maybe you pause too much. Or maybe your pronunciation needs adjusting. By seeing and hearing yourself, you become your own coach. It's like having a replay system in sports. Athletes analyze their moves, and you can analyze your English. If you feel embarrassed, remember, every great speaker started somewhere. You are making progress every time you practice. So, with storytelling, shadowing, and recording, your mirror is no longer just a quiet partner. It becomes your performance stage, your teacher, and your critic all at once. When you practice these advanced steps daily, you will notice not only that your English sounds more natural, but also that your confidence feels unstoppable. My friends, we have explored so many ways to make your mirror your best English teacher. Let us put the pieces together. First, we began with the basics. Describe your daily actions. Simple sentences that connect what you see and what you say. Second, we added more power with emotions and expressions. To make your English sound alive and not robotic. Third, we stepped into creativity with mirror conversations, where you play both sides and build speed. Then, in Section 3, we advanced into storytelling to stretch your grammar and fluency, shadowing to copy native rhythm and pronunciation, and recording and reviewing yourself to correct mistakes like a professional. Do you notice the pattern? Every step is designed to be practical, repeatable, and built into your daily life. 2 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes during a study break, even 10 minutes before bed. Your mirror is always there, waiting, ready to help you practice. And here's the best part. You cannot fail with the mirror method. If you stumble, no one is watching. If you forget a word, no one is judging. Your mirror is patient. Your mirror is supportive. Your mirror is ready every single time you are. Now, I want you to imagine something. Picture yourself 3 months from now. You stand in front of your mirror, and instead of short, nervous sentences, your words flow. You smile at yourself because you sound confident. You smile because you feel fluent. That future is absolutely possible. And it starts with the small, daily choice to practice. So, here's your challenge. Begin today. Find a mirror in your home. Stand tall. Look yourself in the eyes. Speak one sentence in English, then another and another. Repeat it tomorrow and the next day and the next. Repetition builds fluency, and fluency builds confidence. Friends, English is not just a subject to study. It's a skill to live. The more you practice, the more doors will unlock for you. Travel, education, career, friendship, and your mirror? That's the key you already hold. So, get started right now. Because remember, no partner, no problem. The mirror method works, and it will work for you. Thank you for joining me today on the Unlock English podcast. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and as always, keep unlocking your English potential. Until next time, stay confident, my friends.